Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create TikTok photo slide. TikTok photo slideshow work pretty much the same as the regular videos. You choose the photos to include in your slideshow, add your favorite music, apply stickers, and any other effects, and publish your slideshow. It's easy. To start, launch the TikTok app on your phone. Open the page, tap upload as you'll add photos from your smartphone. Click on the plus icon. On the following screen, select upload. And then select photos so you only see pictures and not other content in the list. Then find the pictures you'd like to add to your slideshow. To add a photo to your selection, in the Photos top right corner, tap the circle icon. Do this for all the photos you want to add to your slideshow. When you've made your selection in the app's bottom bar, tap Next. TikTok will turn your photos in a swipe slideshow. To add or change the music for this slideshow, tap the music icon and choose your favorite track. Similarly, to add other items like stickers and filters to your slideshow, use the various editing options available on the right pane of the app. Then, in your screen bottom right corner, tap Next. You'll land on the post page. Here, add a description for your slideshow. Tag the people if you want. Change your post privacy settings and configure other options. To then publish your slideshow in the app's bottom bar, tap Post. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.